That's kind of cool. Da-da-da-da. This down is kind of crazy. Like this, like, and then like, oh.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Maybe just like... There we go.
Sounds like chipmunks mating.
Exactly, that's the goal. Find it in your heart.
I hope your nanny farts.
Yeah,
I can't see in the
okay.
dark. I got a hole in my nipple. I feel like Tony Stark.
Yep, you spitting. I need some plucks. I need some like going up, like bitty 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 bitty. You know what I mean? You know what, Radiant?
What are you gonna curse me out again? You gonna hit me?
Yeah,
You gonna call me bad words?
damn right. Bro, this is like Slayr Tiffany Day, whatever her name is. Tiffany Night. Isn't it Tiffany Day? Isn't that her name? Am I wrong or am I wrong?
Definitely not fucking Tiffany Night.
It could be. Shut up, Brady. Okay, those lows really just need to chill the fuck out. I feel like this needs like a phaser thing in it.
They all sound like someone beating their fucking cock. This is Tuffington.
This is Tuffington. Now we can make a part 2 and we just clone it and then we put this here. And then on part 1, I'm not gonna have this shit. Yeah, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere.
How the fuck?
I'm not telling you. I'm gatekeeping.
So this is a serum preset and it's got these chops, right? These slices. It's got an automatic sample loaded in. It's pretty much like Fruity Slicer, but in serum. All I did was drag my sample over this. And now when I play, it's my sample in there. I think the loop's pretty done. I definitely have to structure it because there is way too much happening per fucking millisecond in this. You need a job? Fuck me.
Bet when.
It's
Yeah,
locking.
big boy headphones.
Big boy shit.
Bro, looks like Jay Schlatt with the headphones on.
Who the hell is... Okay, bro. Jay Schlatt makes insane EDM beat for Slayr. Show me the image, bro, because I just don't see it. You're fucked, bro. You're fucked. You're so fucked. I don't even look close to him.
Yo, Jay Schlatt.
Okay, you know what?
You're cooking, bro.
I am cooking, and it's done. How big's the loop? It's a 6-minute almost loop. That's crazy.
Yo guys, I'm going to be breaking down how I did these EDM drums on Giorno's loop. First off, I'm going to break down the drums, then I'm going to show all the effects I used and everything else. Starting off, we have this extremely simple kick pattern. Then we just have this clap. I layered another clap on top of it and I added an accent clap. Then I added this very basic open hat. It's just a standard house pattern. I put a very spaced out hi-hat. Next is the main part. I have 4 or 5 bass sounds on this, I believe. This first bass is called Don't Call Paul at 3 AM. This is what it sounds like. I have the second bass called Complextro, and this is what it sounds like. I have this third bass called Legend Bass. This is what that sounds like. Literally just plays 3 notes. This last bass is just a one shot. This is what that sounds like. Altogether, this is what it sounds like. I then added this side chain that makes the bass dip whenever the kick hits. I also did the same thing to the melody. The last thing I added was this little bleep sound. I did this little jerk part over here. I don't even know if I can call it that. Effects wise, this is what I have for the build-up. I have this random little noise over here I added. It sounds cool with everything else. Not really so much on its own. Over here I have all the drums dip out and nothing plays but the melody, the vocal chop. Follow the socials in the description. How did Giorno get in my room? When did you get here?
Well, you said you needed help doing an outro, so I thought I'd pop in, hold you at gunpoint to do it.
Is that a gun? Please.
Wow, this roleplay is just going crazy right now. We're really fucking killing this.